Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and practicality with the Auto-Sleeper Kingham camper van. Designed for travelers who appreciate refined comfort and everyday usability, this premium camper van sets a new benchmark for modern touring. Step inside and you're welcomed by a beautifully laid out living space that blends contemporary design with smart functionality. The lounge area features a comfortable seating arrangement, a swiveling cab seat setup, and a large dining table, making it perfect for relaxing or entertaining. A modern kitchen comes fully equipped with a gas hob, sink, fridge, and ample storage, while the cleverly designed rear sleeping area offers a plush double bed for restful nights. The onboard washroom includes a toilet, shower, and quality fittings, ensuring complete comfort wherever your journey takes you. Now, moving to the exterior, the Auto-Sleeper Kingham camper van maintains a clean and purposeful appearance. Built on the reliable Volkswagen Crafter chassis, it offers a sleek yet practical design that's ideal for both city driving and long-distance touring. The exterior features durable body panels, stylish alloy wheels, and subtle auto-sleeper badging for a premium finish. A fitted awning provides a comfortable outdoor living space, perfect for campsite relaxation, while the compact dimensions make parking and maneuvering surprisingly easy. Every exterior detail is carefully considered to balance style, efficiency, and everyday usability. When it comes to performance, the Auto-Sleeper Kingham camper van is powered by a dependable 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering smooth and efficient performance. Whether cruising on highways or navigating winding country roads, the Kingham feels composed and confident behind the wheel. The refined suspension setup ensures a comfortable ride, even on uneven surfaces, while the automatic transmission delivers seamless gear changes. Advanced driver assistance features such as parking sensors, lane assist, and cruise control enhance safety and ease of driving, making long journeys far more enjoyable. This camper van strikes an ideal balance between performance, efficiency, and everyday comfort. Finally, let's talk about the price. The Auto-Sleeper Kingham camper van sits firmly in the premium camper segment, with pricing starting at around $115,000, depending on specifications and options. While it's not an entry-level camper, the price reflects the quality craftsmanship, thoughtful design, and dependable engineering that Auto-Sleeper is known for. Buyers are investing in long-term reliability, comfort, and a vehicle designed for serious touring adventures. It's a camper van built to deliver value through experience, not just features. To sum up, the Auto-Sleeper Kingham camper van is a superb combination of comfort, practicality, and premium design. It offers an impressive level of refinement in a manageable size, making it ideal for couples or solo travelers seeking adventure without compromise. Whether you're planning weekend escapes or extended road trips, the Kingham delivers a truly enjoyable camper van experience. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive and camper excellence.